Hi everybody, this is Janet Bray Attwood. I am the co-author of the New York Times bestseller, The Passion Test, The Effortless Path to Discovering Your Life Purpose. And for the next 30 days, we are going to share with you all of the tools and the tips and the processes that we have to help you get aligned to your unique purpose. And here's the thing. All of us have a special gift. You are unique. And the sad thing is that most people don't even realize that. They don't even have a clue that they have this fabulous purpose in their life, that they have something great to give. And in these next 30 days, we're going to make sure that you are so aligned that you have everything that you need in order to really feel, aha, I know what I'm here for. I know what my unique purpose is. And I'm ready to go out into the world and share my gifts. So I look forward to spending this time with you. Make sure that you do those rituals every day and use that ritual worksheet so that, the daily worksheet that you have, and so that you can write down the rituals that you do and, any successes and wins that you have. Make sure that, you make a list of all of the things that you appreciate about yourself and what you appreciate about others. And remember to keep your attention on that every single moment is a gift. So look forward to our time together. Bye, everybody.